Hey there, folks. Andrea Cox, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach. I'm back. I am better than ever. So today I'm going to make my famous, or should I say infamous, Botox salad. Now, what does that mean? Well, despite popular belief, or maybe not, I don't get Botox. See, I've got full movement in I can look angry, I can raise my eyebrows, all of that. I don't get Botox, and I used to get Botox and I stopped because I started getting vertigo. And also, all the good people who do Botox are located in Newport Beach, and I live in the Sonoran Desert. So let's get started, shall we? We have got a base of cabbage. We've got purple cabbage, carrots, and regular green cabbage. Now, you can buy this pre-mixed or you can shred it yourself. I actually use the organic pre-mix this time, but usually I shred it myself. We've also got arugula microgreens. I did grow these myself indoors. I have no garden outside right now like I usually do. I know you all swooned over my garden for years. I have fresh cilantro and I've got a little bit of spinach. So we're going to start off by putting this in this big bowl that you see here. It's one of my favorite bowls from Williams-Sonoma. Now, we're then going to just take whatever vegetable you have in the fridge. I have an organic cucumber. It is excellent for the skin. So we're going to chop that like so. I like to chop it in rounds. Our dressing for this is going to be so skin positive, and I have really great skin. I actually used to have cystic acne. I was on Accutane for years. Accutane is a drug that you take for acne. I had big cystic boulders up and down the sides of my face, and I do not have that anymore. Next, we're going to take artichokes. These are so delicious and they are so wonderful for your liver. The cilantro is wonderful for your lungs. Cucumber is a diuretic. It's wonderful for skin. You can substitute the cilantro for parsley, which is also good as a diuretic or for skin. And then I'm going to set this aside and we're going to make the salad dressing. So then you're going to take this organic Ville, no salt added, stone ground mustard. Now, I love this because we're taking the puffy out, so we don't want any added salt. And you know, when I went, so about 3 tablespoons. So my measuring cups are my eyes. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to mix it on this plate because I live alone and I don't like added dirty dishes. We're going to do a lemon. When I went and did a 31-day water fast at True North Health Center, they train you there that salt is actually kind of a demon that trains your palate to want more and more food. So they don't believe in salt. We're going to do lemon. This is going to activate that spinach we added in the salad. So fresh lemon always. I actually have a lemon juicer, but I don't like more dishes than I can handle. We're going to do lemon. And then we're going to do my favorite olive oil. This is not paid for, Eperon olive oil. It's the only olive oil I'll use. Eperon, can you send me the big metal thing of this, please? Because almost gone. Okay, so we're going to do that. And I'm just going to do a generous eyeball amount of about 2 tablespoons. I don't do a lot of overt fats. In fact, this is the only one I will do. I use coconut oil for my skin health, and that's about it. Then we're going to use these organic La Spezia Tuscan vegetable mix. So it's just red pepper, there is garlic, there is leeks, there is basil, there is carrots. It's a very Italian tasting herbs, and you're supposed to mix it with olive oil and dip like sourdough bread in it. But I love using it in my dressing, so we're just going to do a little bit of that. Now, here are the 2 secret ingredients. Secret ingredient 1 is going to be turmeric. That really takes out the puppy. So I'm going to put a little bit like that. Now, I'm going to let you see this before I mix it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to mix all that up. Look at that. So good. I see 1 seed. That is the perfect salad dressing. We didn't dirty an extra plate. Now, before we pour this delicious dressing onto our salad, I want to tell you that all of these activate something else. So there's a little black pepper in that seasoning. That's going to activate the turmeric. There is lemon juice, which is going to activate the spinach. There is cilantro, which works really well, ironically, with the artichokes. Now, look at our beautiful salad. It's almost done. We're going to actually take some organic nori, about 3 to 4 sheets. This is excellent for the skin. Full of iodine. We're just going to rip that nori up right over your salad, like so. And you want to leave the nori on top. Oh, I almost forgot, my God. We're going to take a little dollop of horseradish. Little dollop. Put that horseradish in there. That's going to stimulate the digestive system. Really going to have this tasting good. I love horseradish. Now, I'm going to take that salad with the sea vegetables on top. We're just going to pour all this dressing, right like so. I'm going to scrape it clean like a dog licking a plate, baby. That's right. Get it all, let it all work out, right? Gonna let it all work out because it always works out for our highest good. Okay. Yum. I love horseradish. Okay. Now, all we're gonna do, we're gonna mix and then we're gonna plate. I'm gonna show you how incredibly beautiful this is when it's all done. I mean, this is so delicious when it's all done. Look at this. So delicious. Get everything covered with that dressing. That is key. And also, this is so much better the second day. Oh, man, so much better the second day. And when you think it's all covered, take a little more horseradish. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna plate it. So freaking good. I'm gonna plate it like so. Oh, so delicious. So flippin' delicious. I'm gonna actually put it all on the plate. So this is a serving for myself. I can out-eat any man, and I weigh 105 pounds. I can out-eat anyone, actually. Yes, I do weigh 105 pounds. It's like Christmas. Okay, there she is, Miss America. Isn't that beautiful? It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? I'm Andrea Cox. Check me out on YouTube at Andrea Cox TV and The Detox Intuitive. Be well.